Weight in your lower body this morning. Not pain, just deep fatigue. Like your legs are carrying yesterday. You don't need to push harder. You just need to release what's stuck. Let's hit the mat. If your hips feel stiff or sluggish, this is how we create space to move again. Step 1 foot forward into low lunge and keep the back knee down. Gently rock forward with each breath, opening the front of your hip. Then slowly shift back. Straighten your front leg slightly. Flow between the two. I promise this move is how you unlock your hip mobility and forward momentum. Need less intensity? Keep your hands on blocks or your thigh for support. Hold this next forward rock and breathe. 5 more seconds. Now that your hips are moving, let's open the back of your legs. Hold this next forward rock and breathe. 5 more seconds. Now that your hips are moving, let's open the back of your legs. When your body feels compressed, this brings space and lightness. Start in a deep squat, fingertips on the floor. Then straighten your legs into a gentle forward fold. Let your head hang. Slowly return to the squat and repeat with control. I promise this move is how you unlock ankle freedom and hamstring length. Too tight to touch the floor? Hold your ankles or knees instead. We're just getting started. Next one sinks even deeper into your hips. Now that your legs are loose, let's stretch into your inner hips. This one clears out the tension your hips have been quietly holding. Come into a deep squat, elbows inside your knees, hands at heart center or fingertips to the floor. Gently press the knees outward. Rock side to side if it feels good. I promise this move is how you unlock hip release and grounded strength. Need support? Sit on a block or roll a towel under your heels. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Stay with it, just 5 more seconds. Now that your hips have opened, we'll rotate from the inside. Deep hip tension isn't always loud, but this is how you finally hear it. Sit on the floor with knees bent and feet flat, wider than your hips. Gently drop one knee inward, then the other, keeping your feet planted. Move slowly and feel the rotation deep inside the joint. I promise this move is how you unlock mobility where your hips quietly guard it most. Need a gentler version? Place your hands behind you for more support. Let's make this one smooth and slow, like oiling a hinge that's been stuck for too long. Now that the deep layers are open, let's finish with a full body release. This is your final release, the moment your whole body breathes out. Stand tall with your feet wide. Hinge forward from the hips and reach for the floor or ankles. Let your head drop, gently sway side to side or pause at center. I promise this move is how you unlock calm through your hamstrings, hips, and spine. tight, bend your knees slightly and let gravity do the work. You've come this far. Stay with me. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet.